house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
Let's talk about that water heater that gets replaced. Let's talk about, it was about, I don't know, what was it, 10 years ago, 8 years ago, City of Scottsdale started having us put compression, expansion tanks on top as a part of the...
Yes. Yeah, that was...
What's all that about?
That became a big code deal, and the City of Scottsdale pushed it pretty hard. It's expansion and contraction in your lines. And so the expansion tank will take that expansion and go into the tank. It's like a balloon.
Yeah.
So the expansion will expand in that expansion tank when that heater, instead of expanding in the heater. And so when the heater expands, that metal, compressor, it deflates. And that's how water heaters crack. That's how water heaters give away. And so the expansion and contraction has nowhere to go but in that tank.
And so, am I right? That's been code now. Yes. 7 or 8 years at least.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. It's been code for 7 or 8 years, and it's something that needs to be put on there, and it's big time. If you get a permit for a water heater, that's something that they're going to be looking for.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.